can you channel some of that to something positive and kind of motivating for you when fans give you a hard time about things?
I mean, again, like, everybody's entitled to an opinion, and like, at the end of the day, like, if you have a problem with me, then like, come tell me about it, right? And if you don't like have the contact information to come tell me about it, then you probably shouldn't have a problem with me at the end of the day. So, but you know, kind of moving off of that, I think there's a lot of positive energy being at a new place with new coaches and new teammates. I'm really excited for the season and being able to play with these guys again. Kind of what I've been talking about is, you know, the motivation and the discipline that these guys have, and like the want and to be better, and coming in early, coming in late, getting in extra work. Like, it's really been a lot of fun this offseason, and I'm really, really excited to see how that pays off as we, you know, dive into the season.